Hey there everybody, I'm Stephanie Mahoney and I'm here with Shipshe and Topeka Rental Center, here with our featured item of the week, our stump grinder. To start the machine, you want to make sure you pull out the choke, make sure this guy is on turtle speed. Safety wall has to be extended before you begin to use it. To do that, all you need to do is take the pin out and move it to the direction that you want it to go. Try to make it out like this. And from personal experience, safety first. This machine is very loud and the wood chips fly basically wherever they want, which is why you've got the safety guard on one side and your safety goggles. Don't use this machine without them. So it's done. And I think that we can all agree this is a great example of the phrase that we use all the time when we're running this machine: let the machine do the work. It's just plain and simple as that. When you saw it jumping up and down, that it was struggling to get through the wood. And obviously my dogs are gonna love playing in this dirt now. Wojtek, come here. Again, this machine is really, really powerful and will cut through logs, whether they're old or new, and it's really strong, but it has to be able to do the work. This tree also was a little bit complicated because of the root system. It wasn't just the stump, but had some pretty extensive and thick roots in it. But I think it did a great job, and I was surprised that the ground didn't seem to be an issue. The snow absolutely wasn't an issue. And now we can plant some grass here and get some grass growing on this hill. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to all videos from Shipshi and Topeka Rental Center as we go and show you more videos on how to use our amazing equipment.